Welcome back to the channel. Today we have kind of a fun project that we do every so often. I'm a member of the Central Indiana Woodworkers Club, and the club's been around since I believe 1948. In addition to general education of the club members to further their woodworking skills, the club also has a pretty significant toy production program they do every year. I believe the last 3 or 4 years the club has made somewhere around 15,000 toys a year that get distributed to underprivileged children during the fall holiday season. In the past, I've made, this is like a road grader. Here we've got a little stroller. Here is a little race car, and the previous one was a little bulldozer. So what happens is if you attend the club meeting, there's bags of parts that are pre-prepared and available. They'll have the axles, the wheels, the little human replicas, and you'll get a set of plans that you can follow. And I'll typically take the plans and make a template that I use to start creating the body. And there's a local truss company here in Indianapolis that will donate tons of used cutoffs of 2x4s and 2x6s, or you could use your own scrap at your own shop. You end up making, the kit includes enough to make 13 toys. You can donate those back to the club, or sometimes encourage that you keep your favorite toy to give to nieces and nephews, cousins, whoever you might like. And so today we're going to take you through the process to make, I'll be making about 13 little tractor toys, and we'll donate those back to the club, and those can be distributed out during this upcoming Christmas season. So tag along. Any comments or questions, put them below. And if you like what you see and want to see more videos like this, then hit the subscribe button. And come along and we'll play some music by Joel Hoffman and enjoy the video. Thanks.